went and to try find dialogue with those banks and Barclays, CBZ, First Capital, my court cases, everything. Then I have a very, very sensitive case. Nyaya Mwana akatsikwa neGonyeti. Akatsikwa neGonyeti. Akatsikwa neRuoko negumbo. Kusvikira zvaamputatwa. Anditika. Asi munhu akamutsika uyu. Haana kana liability. Akangosiyiwa nedare zvakadaro. Kutongosiyiwa, kutongoregererwa nedare munhu uyu. Imagine guys. Kutongosiyiwa, acquitted, nothing. No justice for this little girl. This little girl doesn't even appear mu court. Kuti ape statement rake, ape testimony yake, yet she is the victim. Kutobuditswa mu court hanzi Mwana. We're going to be digging deep into that story today. Nyaya yakaitika pambare magistrate courts. Okay, I'm not here to undermine any magistrate because we should respect the law. The judge's decision is final. All right. As I'm coming here with an appeal to the people of Zimbabwe, with an appeal to the Minister of Justice, with an appeal to the President, with an appeal to the Vice President, with an appeal to the people, to everybody, with an appeal to lawyers, with an appeal to children's rights activists, with an appeal to everybody, with an appeal to everybody. Justice for this little girl. Right about now, in the meantime, before we proceed with this video, I would like to ask you for one favor. Please make sure you click the like button and subscribe to TV7 Live if you have not yet already done so that you never miss any of our videos, because we make videos each and every day. And guys, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna wait for a live audience. Okay, as I do that, I'm going to meet up for a live audience. Did you share my links to our other YouTube channel? Nekuma WhatsApp group squedu is gonna take only 60 seconds, just 1 minute. In the meantime, between time, as I'll be doing that, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to TV7 Live if you have not yet already done so that you never miss any of our videos, because we make videos each and every day. Hurry up guys, janye button for a like. Big up to everybody who's watching. Let me see who was the first one to make a comment right here. Is Talent Shamba. Big up to Tamu Kapedza. Doc Murin say that's Mimi Munda. Enough respect. Thank you for choosing to watch TV7 Live. Okay guys, I'm just gonna share. Bear with me as I do that. Just 1 minute is enough. Okay, we are almost there. Let me just check in our groups, in our WhatsApp groups. Kutashika ere. Keep your comments coming. Nayaya nezuro. I'm gonna clarify something. So I'm gonna clarify. And yes, more and more victims warikubirwa mare mu Zimbabwe keep coming forward. What's the purpose of me doing this program in the Zimbabwe Exposed? I am doing this so that when the perpetrators who are doing this see videos like this, they will know they cannot get away with corruption. They cannot get away with crime. Pangaiti 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, one way or the other. Uchabatwa, uchafumurwa. And we are appealing to their banks, to their employers to fire these people. Bring these people to books. Bring these people to book. That's what we need. Big up Moses Kanembiri, big up George Dau. Yes, nyaya indi nayo, yes, Mwana akatsikwa neGonyeti, akabva, gumbo, NeRuoko, nyaya yakaitwa nemupurisa. Akaatenda scene. Ikaenda ku court. Asi Mwana haana kumbobvira apia mu court. Nenawe kuti hanzi vana avana ma rights, avana kodzero, avabvumidzwe kumira mudare. Big up Norest Runanga, Matthew MC Wabwino, zviri kufamba ere Joshi Dau. I'm gonna playing you more audio. We have more victims of Barclays Bank, First Mutual Bank, First Capital, not First Mutual, First Capital Bank. And I have more victims coming. Give me your stories, guys. We'll be publishing. I protect your identity. I never release your identity. And to make it clear, big up Slim Shamiso June. Before we go kunenyaya Mwana akatsikwa gumbo neGonyeti, look at the beautiful girl, a beautiful young girl who is only 9 years old. Zvakaitika aine 8 years. Right now, she has one hand. She cannot push a wheelchair. She cannot push her own wheelchair. Her family has to fork out $30 each and every day kuti mwana aende kuchikoro kwaanodzidza. $15 yekuenda netax, $15 yekudzoka netax. Apa vabereki vachishanda to provide for that child. The child needs a prosthetic leg. Prosthetic leg with 100 and something thousand rands. Right? Yet one of the people who is supposed to be responsible, liable for this was set free. Of course, akatsikwa free per criminal charge, reckless driving. See, ane liability, the civil liability. Criminal yapera, pane civil liability. We're gonna be going there, and the civil liability guy, cover an insurance yake. Apa pakangoitika vanhu vasina remorse, vakangopanika vakafunga kuti akuenda mujeri. Accidents do happen. People are really jailed for accidents. Even nyango munhu akatsikwa akauraya munhu inonzi, I think it's culpable homicide or involuntary manslaughter somewhere there. Okay, tiri kudzoka kunyaya iyi. Ndinoda kutanga ndaclarify something kunyaya this bank rinonzi First Mutual Bank. Ndinoda kuplay audio yaNeRuoko. Yes. After we did our broadcast yesterday, one of the victims managed to get the bank statement. Bank statement. I think those guys, they've watched this video, and in our efforts to reach them, obviously they have changed. Now they have given him the bank statement. Second, I could play and bank statement. Anyways, okay, it's just a short audio, just 1 minute.
RTGS bond notes again. I need to understand what is happening within your bank.
I'm being polite. I say I need to understand what is happening with your bank. Kune munhu akarasiva mari from outside mukampa RTGS bond. I need to understand what is happening in your bank. I am calm.
Okay, just to confirm, say where the funds are transferred as a telegraphic transfer, because that's how we receive funds is forex. But if the funds are done via internet banking, it's a local transaction.
What are you saying?
I'm saying the funds.
Okay, ngatimbotaura nezvaasaro kana iri telegraphic transfer. Let's look at the bank statement. Anditika. Bank statement, okay, apa rakarara zvaro, but I think you can see pakanzi FCA current account apo. Padenga pakanzi FCA current. Anditika mari idzo dzakauya 2 monies, imwe 19,900, imwe 3.9, right, among others. And then yakanzi telegraphic transfer yekutanga nechi2 is telegraphic transfer. Is clear that it's forex. Maona kuti FCA account is clear. Iyi nyaya ndatopedza nayo. Anditika iyoyo ndatopedza nayo. Anditi kune vamwe vanga vachuya vachikomenta pavideo zvikanzi inini ndinobhenga neFirst Capital Bank handisati ndambobirwa mari. I understand kuti vamwe vanhu vanenge vachidangopikisa, but common sense dzinotaura kuti kana mbavha dzichibira vanhu hadzibire munhu wese, kune vanobirwa nevasingabirwe. I think nyaya iyoyo ndapedza nayo iyoyo. Anditika let me just play you one audio from another victim, okay?
One of the victims.
Okay. What happened?
The 27th December.
Yes.
And the mama came out with a forex account.
Sorry, hold on a minute. Sorry. You said about 2017 when I came out?
17 December, I came out with a forex account.
Yes.
But to make the trade money, they told us to know Q, the Ramo, the Russian, and talk to your mother, and the 30 bonds, and 100 bonds.
Okay.
The person that has some forex account, why did it to do a bond? You have to show me who are the people that are married. We are looking out of that.
Okay, so my bond notes up until when?
Up until
All right, month when you bring in business. Okay. All right.
Yeah, man, it's about 80%. I have to confirm from RBZ. As CBZ, yeah, it was 1/3 it comes in bond. I don't know can I RBZ. But what RBZ want you people to do, they want you to bring in forex into Zimbabwe. And I don't know what's happening to export incentive. Iwewe ukatumirwa mari neWestern Union. And ukatumirwa $100. Unotowedzerwa imwe mari. Wapuwa $100 yako musho yebepa green forex. Unowedzerwa imwe mari. Bond note. Yeah, transport incentive yekuti kwapinza mari muZimbabwe. Now let me tell you how the government benefits. When you export or when you remit, paunopinza mari muno muZimbabwe, inopinda munostro account yeZimbabwe yakanzi Zimbabwe. You have already given Zimbabwe money. Iwewe ukapuwa mari yako iri mosho, ari US dollar, ari solid. Andika Zimbabwe yane mari yayo yapinda munostro account. Iwewe mari yako nyango kaipisa. Zimbabwe yane mari. That's why Zimbabwe ichikwanisa kukupa bond note, because chari kuda ndechekuita say kufida nostro account reZimbabwe. I think ipapo tapedza. And saka zvekunzi chichi percentage I will not judge that one now, but I think kunyeba. Okay. And I will also have to confirm with the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe kuti ma export incentive evano vari kutumirwa mari muma FCA ari kuenda kupi. Where is that money going? People doing a wrong thing for a very long time doesn't necessarily make it right. Chinongora kuti chinhu chiri wrong changu kwanguva yakareba chete. Kwete kuti chave right. I'll pick up Evelyn Deshe. Zviri kufaya here. Yes. Kwapisa nasi. Kwapisa. That is very true. Okay. That is very true. In fact, yes. Like literally, it's hot. Okay. It's hot. Right here, and kunenyaya yemwana wedu uyu, our child, mwana wedu, mwana we Zimbabwe, who is the responsibility of Zimbabwe. Let's go to this beautiful young lady. This beautiful young lady. When I do these investigations, when I investigate information for people, I do not take any money from anybody. I do not take any money, and I don't want anybody's money. I do this as community service. All the calls to the bank, all those journeys, all those letters of demand. In some cases, I have to pay my own money, my messenger of court. The papers that I was checking today are SATA save. In fact, unfortunately, they take up to 7 days just to save. Okay, I do not. This is community service. Okay? Hande kune nyaya yemusikana. Chii chakaitika? Mwana angagara kuseri it's let me just Suzuki truck. Vakagara vakazembera kuseri kwa driver. Right? Vanga vagara vakazembera kuseri kwa driver. Vari 2. Poor paita tire puncture. The truck slowed down. Munabulawa road. They were approaching a roundabout. The truck slowed down to stop. Kova kwaya gonyeti. Ba. Nekmashure. Gonyeti rati ba. Vana vakakandwa kubva mupani ye truck. But to my surprise, muma state papers, makanyirwa kunzi they fell. When they were not standing, how could they have fallen? Okay, let me tell you what happened. These people didn't get a lawyer because this was a prima facie case. This was a clear case. Okay? And they didn't see the need to. And they trusted the system. They trusted judgment of the police officer, of the magistrate. They trusted everything. And not everybody is a lawyer, not everybody is a magistrate, not everybody is a prosecutor, not everybody is a police officer. You trust the system. You trust those people. You pay your tax. Write those things for you. The guy trusted, the parents trusted, and they did not get a lawyer. However, the other party, the liable party engaged a lawyer, and we all know kuti lawyer rinomirira munhu wese ane mhosva kana munhu asina, ende kazhinji kachona rinowanzotsvaka kuti munhu abuda asina mhosva. But in this case, what I saw happening, these people were beaten by a technicality, and vanhu vanga vaina prosecutor. And saka nyaya ye before appeal, because appeal kaiko tinodhura isi pepechi, before appeal kunotanga kufana kutanga ukaripoterwa prosecutor, and ndo nyaya yekutanga prosecutor aisiya matechnicalities akaita so. This is one case iripo ye negligence driving, but Mwana is a different entity. Mwana haasi motikari, moti yarowa, Mwana akandwa akatsikwa. Gumbo, NeRuoko akazvuviwa. Gonyeti rakamutsika rakapfuura rori yaanga ari ikanomira many meters away. One of the technicalities yakashandiswa against this case mukoti ndeyekuti driver weSuzuki uyu nyaya yekuti distance unofanira kukeep a braking distance between car and iri kumberi neri kumashure. Lawyer remumosho ndakamubvunza tanzi wakameasure here, wakatora ruler wakameasure here, technicality. And munongoziva kuti malawyer vanosenza every day, anditika vanosenza every day. Some people we work with conscience, we work necommon sense, atiplan kuvhara munhu on a predicament like this. Okay, I think amen. So what they write in state papers, it is alleged that this caused the minors' children namely Chantel, okay, sorry, I don't need, okay, Chantel and Tasha, who were in the pan for the first truck to fall from the vehicle. The terminology to fall, already somebody's trying to mislead. I'm gonna be fast on this case. Fall, right? The party's vehicle was damaged on the back. Okay. So the Suzuki mini truck described was traveling between 50 and 55 kilometers per hour around 7 p.m. 50 and 55 kilometers a minute. Meaning kuti kana Gonyeti ranga ri kumashure rakavapfuura ranga ri faster, but azvimo mukesi mavo because they trusted the system. Okay, now I'm not going to read everything. He says the accused then suddenly rammed into the back of his truck and pushed it for a distance, the exact measure of which he prevaricated between 15 and 20 meters and 10 to 15 meters. And it akapesanisa. Saka pari kunzi wakadhuma wobva wapusha rori kumberi for between 15 to 20 ndo yakanzi na magistrate nekuenda magistrate, sorry, na lawyer wakameasure here. That's the technicality. Alright, yakapusha 1 meter, alright. Are you unofana kudhuma here? There's a distance you should keep, and they are claiming that the truck kumberi suddenly stopped. It's impossible for a car to suddenly stop, especially akomanaga. So argument was same claim, and it I heard such a is used, and the technicalities that these guys used, they said your evidence is circumstantial evidence, our evidence is circumstantial evidence, it clashes each other. This girl child never appeared in the court to give her own side of the story. Why? Because she was a child. There was supposed to be 2 cases there, but I see Vagaisa 1 case. I do not know why. What about the civil case, Mwana? And they even admit best. Okay, on some they say the best tire in narrow minds are going to tire putika, but can tire putika when the car swerves, you are in the outer lane. It doesn't stop just like that. Reason why patients keep a distance pamberi pako panokona motor 3 the size yako is because aufanire kuduma munhu. Anditika kune nyaya yeduty, your duty on the road zvisinei nekuti uya aita mistake. Kune nyaya yecausation, chakonzera chi accident, we understand. Then poita nyaya ye breach we may cancel it, but nyaya yeduty, you were supposed to avoid the kid auna kubuda mu road. All those cases are nakubuda because these people, they didn't have a lawyer. I'm looking at all the state papers here, you see. So let's say the driver was negligent of that gonyeti. Kune chinhu chinonzi civil liability. Civil liability ainene kuti who is wrong, or this is a child, somebody is liable for that accident. And freight driver uyu paakaita hutsinye pekuti your insurance covers that civil liability, and insurance is mandatory in Zimbabwe. You see, so I'm not going to continue reading these state papers. What I'm going to do, I've made something, okay, even cross-exam, all this, I've made something which I'm going to be giving you guys in our WhatsApp group. Chakanzi Justice for 9-year-old Chantel Nyanongo, which we are going to circle on the social media. What we are doing here, we want to appeal to our father, right? Even though tisingabvumirane navo vamwe vanhu vazhinji anditika, we want the president to see this and act on this. We want Chief Justice Malaba to see this. Has justice become a matter of affordability in Zimbabwe? We want the magistrate involved in this case to see this. We want everybody, children's rights organizations, to see this. Okay. Vachada contact yevanhu vachiona, the father, you will email me, then I'll give you the contact after speaking with him if he wants that. But yes, I'm gonna put it in our WhatsApp group. Okay, to those who want it, Vasrim WhatsApp group, my number is +263 773 390967. If you write me any message, you get an auto reply with a link to join the group. So right about now, what I'm doing right now, I'm putting this poster muma WhatsApp group edu anditika nyaya dze technicality, whether pane munhu angaine mhosva pa negligent driving or what, there's something that is called civil liability. Civil liability ainei nekuti munhu ari right here kana kuti ari wrong here. Mota yako ikarohwa nemheni, hapana anenge ari right, hapana anenge ari wrong, asi insurance inocover. Same applies on this one. Insurance could cover zvinhu zvinenge natural disaster, etc. Insurance inocover. And these guys were just insensitive. They just hired some expensive lawyers, probably bribed. I'm not saying they bribed, I'm saying highly probable, it's highly probable that they bribed some people. You see, it's highly probable, very, very highly probable. PP wachona omission, you see, all those technicalities, waro and technicalities. That's one of the ways many people win court. Nyaya technicalities yekungoti munge munhu asikuziya court procedure kuti zvinofamba sei, and magistrate wo basi rake harisiri kupa munhu legal advice. It's unfortunate, it's very unfortunate. So I'm going to put this muma WhatsApp group edu ese anditi. I'm going to put muma WhatsApp group edu tese, and I'm also I'm doing that right now. Okay, this will push this case so that when an appeal is done, it will have the appeal, you know, appeal badara every page. In this case, imagine all state papers, woboma paper. It's a very long case. Imagine the cost. But mwana uyu case mwana yana kuitwa here aina, because mwana anambovira apinda mukoti, mwana anambovira ita state witness, because zvinonzi mwana ka zvino mwana asisira kodzero here. Kana in animal chaichayo kazita kodzero, ukaoneka uchibata mhuka chibharo unosungwa mwana munhu. A child is more valuable than an adult to the nation. It's as simple as that. Leopold Ped says tichangosvika. Owen Ola zviri kufamba here says maswera sei haufa nyaya yedu yembavha dzekubengi. Yes, nyaya iripo. Messenger of court vasati vaendesa kune kuri kufanira masummons kufanira letter of demands avasati vaendesa. I'm also waiting for some documents from some of the victims so that we can do investigation, because there's certain information we cannot get. Okay, T Aramangwena says ndima yatinorima haichabhadhare fees ye1 term doctanzwa chikwerese dokuno kumamisha tarowa nema sanctions. Where are you watching us from? T Aramangena, thank you for watching TV7. Big up Felix Nyona, Evelyn Day, she says kwapisa nas, yes kurukupisa. King Damba Mukota, Leaford Pedzi, Matthew Mark Wabwino, Blonde Shingirai Mwana says poorly Geshem Vanangavasadaro Shua. Watching from Hotspur, South Africa, that's Moses Kunembiri, Tamukapedza. Watching from Cape Town, Willard Tsoka, Faith Taina, Matthew, Norest Rungana, Joe Shidau, Moses Kanembiri, enough respect, Mary Chasura, Sulim Shamisu June, Mimi Munda, Tamukapedza, Talent Shamba, enough respect to everybody who is watching us live, enough respect to everybody who was watching us live. Make sure you have clicked the like button. I hope you guys have clicked the like button. Majanya ere button rekufarira. Enough respect to everybody. Nyaya ya Temba Mliswa yanga ishitika iyi. Ngati ende kuna kwa hili. What? Temba Mliswa and Dexter Nduna mu parliament. Temba Mliswa na Dexter Nduna mu parliament. Inyaya ene msoro ire. What's your perspective on this one? This one I'm not gonna comment much. Asindakambonzwa mundu mwe murume anonzi Lumumba wachiti hanzi Temba Mliswa problem yake yainayo nevamwe vanhu vekuzanu-PF vanga ainawo muzanu-PF hanzi vakaba vakaita mari yakawanda asi iye haana kuba saka ane bitterness. Anditika iyi nyaya handisinotaura zvakawanda. I'm just gonna take one call and hear what you guys think of this Temba Mliswa shenanigans. Then I sign out. I'm just gonna take one call. I think my number is showing on the screen. It's 0773390967. Enough respect to everybody who's watching us live. Guys, please do share this video. Every group share. Talk to Mwana and 9 years akadinaiwa justice. This disability is gonna last forever. I don't want to talk about it, hysteric. Okay, 0773390967. WhatsApp, voice call, my lines are open. I'm gonna take just one call only. Enough respect to everybody who's watching us live. Keep your comments coming. Keep your comments coming. Like. Subscribe if you have not yet already done so that you never miss any of our videos. I'm just gonna wait for a live for a call. Just 1 minute. And I sign out. I see. Okay. Let me just sort something out. 0773390967 is the number. Alright, I think I'm gonna sign out right about now. Big up to Owen Ola says Sakavaromba on a future. Everybody has a right to equal access to justice. Nyadzema technicalities. Apana chinora nemanyanga ariputirwe. Jonathan Mawero, Leoford Pedzi say enough respect. Thank you everybody who was watching, guys. I hope you have clicked the like button. I'm gonna sign out right about now. Enough respect to everybody who was watching. And lakunzwa perspective yenyu pane nyaya dzemukoma Temba Mliswa na Dexter Nduna. I don't want to talk a lot on that one. I want feedback from you. So to those vasiri kutuona live, you will write your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll read your comments in the next video. I will do that definitely. Let me just read some comments from our yesterday video. Blonde Shingirai zirikufaya here. And Dexter Nduna wachona we have to sue Temba Mliswa for 11 million, I think, for calling me a thief. But parliament is momo. They can call each other names, etc. Okay, we have these comments. Zimchild says Shamiso is a thief. She was a steward before and they swindled me of $1,200 in 2008 it just appeared like that on a 600 withdrawal. But 600 motor 1.2. Yes, it has been happening. Refer them to human rights lawyers. That's Philip Tsuro. Okay, human rights lawyers should actually be doing this job, but sometimes when they don't, that's where people like me come in. Remember, Martin Luther King was not a human rights lawyer. Brian Campbell, enough respect. Team Hobo vandowana vocabulary kubhengi zvatovharana batai vanhu madofo ukani telegraphic usingazivi unonyura apa. Yes, mavocabulary wise mawords izvozvo. Ramba wakadaro zvese zvinenge zvakunzi ed dziri dzimwe imbiwa dziri kuuraya nyika dai vanhu vese ava vasungwa. They are so corrupt beyond rapper. Navo usambovasiye mongomodzo. The banks are looting forex from people. Please guys, isu tiri kutambura muno hama dzedu dzotipawo mari dziri kunze wotorawo here. Imagine vamwe vanotora mari dzemushonga vamwe vanitofa just because bank raita mafanis asidini masaraure. Navo usambovasiye havaregedze kuba nokuti zvinotangira kuvakuru. Nyaya dzeumbavha dzangove normal kwatiri, ndosaka vachiba nokuti havasungwe. Tikafumura vanhu ma1 vanosungwa ende vanoregister. Eric Matokoro says FC account is there. Haisati yave nefacility yekuti when you transfer money mari inobuda iri USA. That is a lie. Eric Makotamo, you are misinformed. Doing a wrong thing for a long time doesn't make it right. Okay. Is so kunana chicken Enoch. They are now taking my forex at 70% discount. Kana any international card rako Mastercard Visa you buy ne forex price CF inonzi RBZ in a system nyowani yavari kuzvita vari kutesta but it's operational. Yet FCA to FCA transfer, because FCA to FCA transfer azvoti anga isiripo sepo mabhengi ndo anga achingobirana chete. Anditika Papa Scan Zimbabwe yaita mbavha. Dr P1 nzvimbo iri kushandira kuZBC. Daisy go vanhu kuZBC amuna kuona kandiburitsa pavideo yacho from another country. It means your forex account either US. That is very true. Yes. Prescription law we play dog like play dog ndongopikisa comment yakandiverenge but keep writing your comments. Play dog anowedzera engagement on my videos thereby increasing views. Masiwa next president, that's Douglas Dlamini pa Barclays apa urkunyepa hako. When I'm saying so grievances were supposed to be taken to the head of it, otherwise it's not Barclays, it's a few individuals. Yes, those few individuals work for Barclays, so don't say ndikunyepa. Okay, nyango munhu wana akabirwa out of 1 billion. Anditika Lydia Moyo, enough respect. Owen Ola Jake Mareko says, evening doc, it's a shame what happened to this girl, and this shows we have problem with justice system. Blondie Shingerai, enough respect to everybody who was watching. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe if you have not yet already done so. Dr Clarence is the name, TV7 Live is the channel. As always, thank you for watching, and I am out.